Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the palm. Wash and dry it so lines appear crisp. Sit with your arm relaxed and palm up under consistent light. This removes shadow confusion. Then focus on the 3 primary lines, heart, head, life, and mark their start and end points lightly in your mind or with a removable dot. Once done, check both hands. One shows potential, the other shows manifest traits. Make sure to use a magnifier or close photo for tiny branches to avoid misreading. Now you examine each major line. For the heart line, note where it begins and whether it runs parallel to the headline. That tells you emotional baseline versus reactive patterns. For the headline, measure curvature and breaks. Straight lines mean focused logic, curves mean creative thinking. For the lifeline, observe depth and interruptions. Shallow or broken segments suggest periods of change rather than physical weakness. Once you catalog these features, compare symmetry between hands to assess where potential meets reality. To finish, integrate your observations into a coherent reading. Link emotional cues from the heart line with decision style from the headline and lifeline, timing to suggest probable outcomes. Explain why patterns interact. Conflicting lines often indicate inner tension. Aligned lines suggest harmony. If a reading feels inconsistent, recheck under neutral light, rephotograph at 1 to 2 foot distance, and reassess small marks. This resolves most errors. If ambiguity persists, focus on trends rather than one-off marks to keep your interpretation reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.